Welcome back to another day in Desi Life. You got here at Old Mill Park. Let's do this. Oh. So we walking around. I think I parked at the wrong place. Oh, look though, y'all, the river. This is gonna be easy hike today. I think the waterfall right there.
Yeah, you can hear it.
That'd be my guys. No, we're gonna walk down there. I'm not walking there. It's gonna fall. We need to try and get injured today.
Look,
it's sleep. It's like going down here. Like you fall and break your neck. Y'all, we this is not like a real hiking trail. It's like a mini walk hiking trail, which is nice. And it's a man-made waterfall, which is okay. But we're here and we having fun. I got Leon. Hey, Leon. We have Francisco. What's going on, bro? Fernando.
Stupid. I wish my name was Francisco.
I'm gonna start calling you Francisco. You should tell people to call you Francisco.
Yeah, I know.
Guys, guess where we at? Right in front of the waterfall. Yeah. Shit about to be lit. Can't smoke my weed. I'm joking. Ooh, boy, I hope I don't fall on this shit. It's wet, it's slippery. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, share the video, guys. I was so bad. We have